Hi, today for the Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the Muviz Edge application and now let's select one from these available tabs, for example this one. Click to apply. If you want to add the backgrounds here to this tab, just by swipe to the up or to the down. Select the tab, click to apply. If you wanna here hide music controls after 10 seconds or just don't hide them, you should slide to the left or to the right side this panel, this dot, to show notifications and date. We should just use the switchers, and also we can change the shown time of the battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it on the AOD screen. So let's click to the 6 icon, switch AOD to the settings, click to the always on display here, and also we can change here the shown on screen lock, the AOD option always while device charging, when we'll play the music. Also we can use these features just separately. If you want to change screen timeout from 1 minute just to never, you can just hold and slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Also you can decrease or increase the brightness level here to close it with a double or single tap. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you can also close the AOD with the fingerprint on the screen off and set the shadow of the AOD options, the start and the end time, and also we can disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.